Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, this is Rob. These are the things that make me smile, him included. And we are back in the loft today. And this giant box sitting in my lap is the Halloween Luminary from the Halloween flash sale. So if you're interested to see this Luminary unboxing, as well as a couple of things that I have picked up from Bath & Body Works recently, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this box actually came, you can't really see it, but it's in the background, kind of like where my thumb is pointing. It came in another huge box, but this is the Halloween Luminary. So let's try and pull this out of the box.
It ain't delicate, is it?
Yes, it is delicate. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is heavy and it is super huge.
So technically it's a candle holder?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I have seen some photos. There's a lady in the background, y'all. I have seen some photos where it looked like there was maybe like misprint with some of the paint or any issues like that. So we're gonna go through kind of all sides of it together. This is my first time seeing it. I did see one briefly in store, and then like you guys, I saw the luminaries on,
that glows in the dark right there.
Yeah, it does. So let's hold this up. It is giant. Rob's gonna bring it closer to the camera for you. Hopefully it'll focus in. He'll show you all sides of it. It is really huge. It is heavy, guys. It is beautiful. I think that ours does look lovely, guys. It looks lovely.
You knew that was coming.
No,
they
I
did.
I didn't know that.
Y'all know it's coming. Y'all knew it was coming.
We'll turn it. Look at this way.
I already have turned it several times. My shoulder cannot handle this, honey. Write your VA. They're refusing to acknowledge my shoulder injury is service connected.
I like that big giant eyeball right here.
I also like the gate.
That's kind of cool. And there's a black cat like on this side.
Well, the tentacles are part of the can holder too.
Yes. So the inside tentacles.
A giant beholder.
Yes. Let's see if you guys can see it a little bit better. That's really cool. It is so awesome, you guys.
Will you put that up?
It is really awesome. I think tomorrow I'm gonna see about rearranging the bookshelf, and I'll probably put it on the bookshelf by my chair. But thank you guys so much. I would not have been able to purchase this without the Halloween flash sale and without the coupon that I had from an anonymous donor. I really appreciate it. It is stunning. I'll see if I can go ahead and take some pictures of it as well and maybe include them so that you guys can see some more. My previous, I don't know if he's a manager or like assistant manager, but I know he was in like the leadership team at my store that I used to work at. He actually put puck lights in his when he purchased his Luminary, and he leaves like the puck lights on, and then he has a remote that can turn them on and off, which I thought was a fantastic idea. So I am kind of thinking of doing that. I'm excited to get some more candles to see if I can put in here, but since it's probably gonna sit on my bookcase, I'll see if maybe Rob can find like some puck lights maybe, and we can put them inside, like on the little dish.
Yeah, it's a whole bunch in the garage.
Yeah, that would be really cool. So that is my idea right now for the Luminary. Mom saw the box and she'll probably come upstairs maybe tomorrow and come and look at the Luminary. She was just asking us tonight for us to put up inflatables for Halloween because she was really interested in that. So we'll probably put up some decorations. That is one thing that I have to say. In our town, Halloween is a big deal.
When you live near
They
the
go-
street, that's a big deal.
And they do like a huge block party. Halloween is such a big deal here. So Mom loves when trick-or-treaters come, and she loves to decorate a little bit. Like she wants like a wreath and
I think I'm off this Halloween.
things. I think you are.
I work all bank holidays, so
Yeah.
that are on a normal shift.
I'm really excited for that. I think that that will be a lot of fun. She's getting in the spirit of wanting to kind of decorate. Fall and Halloween and Christmas are her favorites, kind of like mine are. So we may, towards actual Halloween, we'll probably put this probably on the piano downstairs, but I am excited for that. As far as other like sales that are going on, I am interested. There is the $2.75, I think, hand soap sale. That'll be just cash, whatever we can afford. I'll just get some of the hand soaps. And then there is the coming up
I don't want to rip up the box.
Oscar. Our oldest is Kitty, just came up here to play with the boxes. There is the lotion and the body wash sale that is coming up. And I really want the lotion to match honey, to match the milk fragrance, and I think champagne, honey and apple, that one. So that's kind of what on my wish list for that, but we gotta move behind here. I did pick up a few free items. So I placed a Boppus order because another good friends of mine went ahead and gave me another coupon, and I had a reward. So I was excited for this. For my free reward, instead of picking up like another wallflower cartridge, I picked up champagne apple and honey. Put your hand behind it, sweetie. You can't, it's not focused. Anyway, I picked up champagne apple and honey for the single wick candle. I'm almost completely gone with single wicks. So I did that, and then she had given me another coupon for like a body care mini. This was actually on my wish list, so I was gonna get the full size, but I'm very happy with having a mini, and this is into the night in the body cream. So I'm excited to have that.
This is the receipt, so you know she didn't shop there.
And then I did pick up the apple cider pocket back. We'll put it back here. I was really excited for that one. And when I was in store, guys, I finally got my jersey. I got my Bath and Body Works jersey. Now this was showing as not available for Boppus, but when I went in store to pick up my like free rewards and stuff, they had one. So I snatched that up as fast as I could. This is currently what is on my purse right now. So super excited for my jersey. But I am actually excited. I'll probably switch to the apple cider one probably in September or October. I might do that, but I'm very excited for the Luminary. It is stunning. I had seen a couple of pictures of luminaries that had come broken or had an issue, and this one doesn't. I mean, it's perfect. So guys, that is what I picked up from the Halloween flash sale. Thank you so much for the donations of coupons. Without that, I wouldn't be able to purchase some things, guys, and we really appreciate that very much. And I just want to remind you guys that down below, the options for super thanks are available now, and we are taking memberships. And we are going to be having some members only videos coming in the future. But if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, guys. Hit subscribe, give me a comment down below. You know what to do. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.
Now she hopes like thumbs up in terms of approving, not actually that you have big thumbs, because that might be bad.
It might be.
Chances.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
They move too fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.